What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in again. Right now, we're just going to do a quick overview about the crypto market, what's going on with Bitcoin, what's going on with the stock market, why is it continuing to go down, and what are your thoughts on it, and if you think that it will go up in the near future or if it might take a little bit of time for us to come back. Right now, Bitcoin's at 23,000, Ethereum 1,200. Binance or BNB 230. Binance USD is $1. Cardano 47 cents. XRP 31 cents. Solana $27. Dogecoin, I believe that's 5 cents. Bitcoin analysts are watching these Bitcoin price levels as key trend line looms. Consensus says that 22,400 marks the start of a possible bottom territory, but the downside targets technically extend all the way down to 11,000. What do you guys think, guys? You think we're going to hit 11,000? In my personal opinion, I think we might hit 20,000 and bounce back up, but this is saying 22,000. Ever since we broke the 26,000 that I really thought we were going to hold, we've actually plummeted beyond and beyond and beyond. So, not the best of news, but it is what it is. So, Bitcoin is trading at the lowest since mid-December 2020 on June 13th, but the bottom could be anywhere. As the weekend sell-off intensifies, Bitcoin USD has now broken below its realized price for the first time since March 2020. Data from Cointelegraph, Markets Pro, and TradingView confirms this. Bitcoin clings to realized price at around 23,000. The realized price, the average price at which each Bitcoin last moved, is acting as the first solid support so far on lower time frames. So everything is being hit right now. It's not just crypto. It's the stock market is down. Everything is down. Everything is red. Inflation kind of hit everybody. So it's not just us that's being obliterated right now. It's the entire markets. So previous levels, including those highlighted at potential bottoms, have failed to hold, and sentiment continues to favor further sell-side pressure thanks to the Celsius aftermath, inflation, and forthcoming actions by the United States Federal Reserve. So with this alone, we're going to go ahead and transition to something else. We could finish this up real quick. Where BTC USD could put in a final macro floor, meanwhile, is now a topic of heated debate. The first port of call for significant drawdown is the 200-week simple moving average, 200 SMA. Traders and analysts agree at 22,370 as of June 13. The 200 SMA has acted as key support throughout Bitcoin's lifetime, with only brief wicks below it marking generational spot price bottoms. The 200 SMA has never broken its own uptrend, and the hope is that reaching it will allow bulls a period of respite. And there's that little chart that they shared with us. So Tether Celsius crisis has no impact on USDT reserves. The USDT stablecoin issuer Tether denies any correlation between its investment in Celsius and its reserves or stability. The ongoing crisis of Celsius native tokens has nothing to do with the stablecoin provider Tether and will not impact the USDT reserves, according to the company. Tether issued a statement on Monday regarding the major cryptocurrency lending platform Celsius hitching withdrawals due to its rumored liquidity crisis. According to the statement, Tether's lending activity with Celsius has always been over-collateralized, as with any other borrow, and has no impact on the company's reserves. The announcement also described the ongoing issue with Celsius as an unfortunate result of market volatility and extreme market conditions. The Tether company is the issuer of USDT, the largest stablecoin pegged to the United States dollar based on a 1-to-1 ratio. At the time of writing, USDT's market capitalization amounts to $72 billion, significantly exceeding the market value of its major competitor, the Circle-backed USD coin. Guys, let me know your opinions on this. If you believe that Celsius crisis is something really to be worried about, something that we should be looking into, or if it's just part of market volatility. It's part of the market going up and down, with inflation being up. So the Federal Reserve wants to implement more interest hikes, and the meeting that we're kind of gonna see if we actually get any response from it. It starts tomorrow and it ends Wednesday. It's the FOMC meeting. So when we find out on Wednesday or maybe a couple days afterwards, we might make a turn up to the high side. I'm not sure if that's going to reverse anything, but we do have that coming. So this is another article, lowest weekly close since December 2020, 5 things to know about Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin sheds 12% in 24 hours as a fresh altcoin meltdown combines with macro pressures to offer nothing but misery for hodlers. Bitcoin begins a new week with a totally different feel to last as Bitcoin USD seals its lowest weekly close since December 2020. A night of losses into June 13 means that the largest cryptocurrency is now edging closer to beating its 10-month lows from May. The weakness that has left few guessing, shock inflation data from the United States last week sparked a chain reaction across risk assets, and low weekend liquidity appeared to exacerbate the consequences for crypto assets. The macro pain continues this week. The Federal Reserve is due to provide information on rate hikes and the economy more broadly, the first official policy update since the inflation figures. The mood among analysts on both Bitcoin and altcoins, while not unanimously bearish, is thus one of resignation. A period of painful trading and hodling conditions may have to be endured before a return to the upside, something which at least chimes with the historical patterns of Bitcoin's halving cycles. What could be the market triggers in the coming week? Cointelegraph takes a look at 5 factors to consider as a Bitcoin trader. So let's go ahead and look at these 5 factors. Let me know what you guys think about those 5 factors. Let me know what your 5 factors are. Are you hodling? Did you get out of the market? Are you trying to buy more, DCA in a little bit further? Let me know what's going on, guys. Please comment below. Celsius collapse looms, sending Bitcoin tumbling. So Bitcoin dropped quite a bit. The Fed policy update looms on 40-year record inflation. See, this is something else that's making us go down, and it could also make us go up. So we'll see. US dollar wastes no time challenging 20-year highs. The misery index underscores market fear. And this is something pretty good. It's an opportunity of a lifetime. Given current circumstances, it may feel like there are no Bitcoin bulls left to offer a silver lining to the multiple clouds on the horizon. Zooming out, however, there are many who view the current market setup as a golden investment opportunity if exploited correctly. Among them is Phil Phibb, co-founder of TraderSuit Descent Trader, who over the weekend called Bitcoin the opportunity of a lifetime. And here is Bitcoin cycle and capitulation is perhaps happening now. Just another 15% downside to reach 200 WMA and 1 fib extension level 22 to 23K from BTC cycle top. This can happen quickly in the next few weeks. So this is pretty sweet. This is pretty good. You know, opportunity of a lifetime. If you can handle the mental damaging effects that this type of a market has on you, which honestly eliminate your realized price and loss, eliminate a lot of those little factors of you checking consistently on how the market is doing, and simply just put a buy order of however much you could buy DCA along the way, you will totally benefit from this bear market that we're in. In this together, Musk and Saylor down a combined 1.5 billion on Bitcoin buys. Tesla and MicroStrategy have a combined impairment loss of almost 1.5 billion dollars. Will they hold on? As the bear market bites, holding crypto investments can be a tough pill to swallow. Consider 2 of the largest bag holders of publicly traded companies. They are down by almost $2 billion on their Bitcoin buys, according to Bitcoin Treasuries. .net, the 130,000 and 43,000 Bitcoin held by MicroStrategy and Tesla, respectively, are worth considerably sums less. So for MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor splashed out almost $4 billion on 129,218 Bitcoin, approximately 0.615% of the 20 million total supply. The Bitcoin price nosedive has ripped away earlier gains. The investment is worth $3.1 billion, a loss of $900 million plus. In pre-market trading on Monday, MicroStrategy stock plunged to its lowest levels in months. For Elon Musk, whose Tesla automotive company brought over 40,000 Bitcoin during the 2021 bull market, his $1 billion profit has gone south. The cost basis of $1.5 billion for 43,200 BTC, or 0.206% of the total Bitcoin supply, is now worth $1 billion, down almost 500 million. So, will Musk and Saylor hang on to their Bitcoin? In my opinion, yes. Even if it were to go down to zero, I believe that they're going to hang on to it. I do not think that they will give in to this bear market. I don't think that they will sell anytime soon or anytime near in the near future. And then this last little bit of good news. This gentleman by the name of Anthony Scaramucci tweeted, "I would recommend people stay disciplined. We have bought more Bitcoin and ETH." Guys, go ahead and take a look at this video. I'll play it right now, but the video is already running kind of long. I don't want to take up too much of your time. Just want to give my point of view on things, read some of these articles, get your guys' feedback on it. What do you guys think is going on? This guy bought more Bitcoin, and he believes, as a lot of people believe, that this is actually the best sale on cryptocurrencies that we've had in a very, very long time. And if that's the case, guys, let me know what you're buying. Let me know if you're going to buy, what you're DCAing into. I have my own personal portfolio. I am down quite a bit, but I'm hodling. I'm going to continue to hold. Stay positive, guys. Keep holding on to the things you believe in. Don't buy anything off of just videos you watch. You know, try to do your own research. But this is very bullish. It gives me more of a reason to continue to buy and DCA. So let me know, guys, what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. There's more information, more videos like this that's going to be coming out on a daily basis. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you watching these videos. And hopefully things will turn around. All right? We'll talk again, guys. See you tomorrow.